I'm here checking in at Mark's Cars in Wakanda to see the progress on Deja Blue, the 66 Coronet, second one found with a 426 Street Wedge special order. This car, you saw the last videos, the condition it was in. It was pretty much rust-free, but had a lot of bruises on it and had some rust spots. And, you know, it was in a collision. So it's been a while since I did a video because, you know, we wanted to get everything pretty much done. So it's out of the body shop, or I should say the metal shop, and now it's we're doing some final stuff on the body, getting it ready for sealer, primer, and paint. You can see right now we have two different colors on there right now, but that's going to be one single color soon. But anyways, wanted to show where the progress is on it and show you we didn't miss anything. This thing was acid dipped. So we basically addressed every single ounce of rust on the car. And as you can see, the trunk's been newly sealed up. You can see the seal in here and stuff. And you can see there's zero rust on it now. Rails. There's a little bit of fixing here and there we did to the rails, so they're all going to be done. And we still have the original numbers on the back of the car. Quarter panels are pretty much, for the most part, all original. We might have done a patch near the rocker, but the rockers were also solid. Roof was solid. Floors were solid except for the passenger floor, so we did some work on the floors. You can see we tore everything out in order to acid wash it, but it's basically all done. We're getting really close to prime and paint, seal, prime, and paint. So it was a little rough up in here. We took care of that. This was the side that had the accident. So now it's all straight, probably straighter than it was from the factory. Engine compartment. Cross member. So a lot of times in the Mopars, you get a lot of rust along the window wells here and stuff. We had some spots that basically we were able to fix up pretty easy with a spot welder, just cutting them out, spot welding them. That'll look brand new when it's all done. Sorry if I'm hoarse, I just got over a cold. It is a 4-speed car. It's born that way. 500, so it's a console car, bucket seats, which is different than Gentle Ben. Just want to point that out. Again, original quarters, just a little bit of patchwork was needed. So you can see they're not completely finished with the blocking and sanding here yet, but it's pretty close. The trunk had a few spots on it, but they've been addressed. Overall, it was in good condition. Not worth trying to get an aftermarket trunk. I want to use as much original stuff as I can. So as you can see, you know, we're patching up all the little pinholes that were in it, which wasn't much after acid dipping, but we're addressing it all. So it'll truly be all metal. So there's the trunk. You can see the doors. Doors are pretty much ready. They're all bodywork, everything's done with the doors. They're just sitting there ready to get to the next step. So doors are really good. And front fenders, they're pretty much ready to go. We have left and right fenders here. So we're really close to finally seeing what everybody wants to see, and that's color. So This car is also exactly the same as Gentle Ben. It's EE2 dark poly blue. So they're basically going to be twins. The only difference is Ben's a 440 model, which is a bench seat. And this one here is a 500 model, which has a little bit more trim on it and has the center console. So they're going to look pretty nice side by side. And hopefully we're still on track, believe it or not, to have this thing at McCacken in November. If you guys saw General Bennett McCacken, we've done a few more things to that car, and we're hoping to come back as a two twins and pair it up for our November show. I know it looks like a lot of work, but once we get past paint, the assembly hopefully is going to go pretty fast. So that's where we're at so far.